again. Привет, I'm Anna. As a professional tutor, it's extremely important to me that you achieve your goals. My students work hard and they get excellent results, as you could see from my reviews. They start making friends, Russian friends, doing work presentation for the Russian colleagues. They start traveling to Russian-speaking countries, and they are able to order meals, ask for directions without any problems. I care about the absolute results of my students, and I know by dozens of successful cases that my methods work. I value your and my time, so please note I do not accept all the students. I'm only ready to work with those who are committed, who are ready to do their homework, who is ready to study, and who is ready to get more Russian in their everyday life. This way, I can guarantee you will achieve your goal with me within 6 months. Let me show you the platforms that I use, which brings my students to the best results. The first thing is PowerPoint presentations to make my lessons visual, so you memorize words and phrases through their emotions. All the slides get sent to you after our class, so you don't even need to make any notes during the lesson. You will have everything. The second platform is Advibe. I use it for home tasks. Here you have the whole collection of exercises and quite easy navigating. And the third one is Quizlet. This is an automatic method of memorizing cards with words that we had on our lessons. You have your personal set of cards, and you can practice the words which you learned as different games. This way, we always know how many words you learned this particular month. Whilst Russian is not typically considered an easy language to learn, with dedication, the right teaching methods, it's very achievable. My students have had a lot of success. In order to start speaking it within 6 months' time, you will need to step out of your comfort zone and start speaking with others. That's why I developed a course with 3 lessons a week, lots of speaking practice, so you could talk to other students under my control and guidance. This course has 3 levels: beginner, elementary, and higher. I invite you to join one of those lessons as a trial one and step out of your comfort zone already, because in the lesson you will learn something and you will be able to use a real communication with the other student of your level and also with me as a native speaker. I'm going to send you days and times options according to your time zone, so you could let me know which one you'd like to attend. After your trial lesson, we can discuss how best move forward based on your learning abilities and your personal impression of the lesson. So please let me know which class you'd like to attend. See you later.